Welcome guys, so today I am with Amazfit PowerBuds and I'm going to show you how you can connect them with your Windows PC. So at first we have to charge them at least to 50% before pairing. That's very important. Next, just open the case and inside you will find this button right here. You have to click and hold it until this indicator on front starts blinking like that. Then release and just follow the steps. So go for the settings. Next, you have to go for the Bluetooth and devices. Enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher in this place and then click to add device. Select Bluetooth and now just be patient and wait. Okay, so if you have the same problem that the laptop cannot find the earbuds, you can just remove them from the case. And as you can see, after that, they will appear on the list. So click on them once. And there it is. We are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.